talk about nutrition. I'm going to teach you how I make breakfast every morning. Every morning I like to start my day off with a fruit smoothie. Now, the first ingredients in my smoothie is orange juice, some fresh fruit for vitamin C, and now, because I don't like to waste energy, I just blend up my entire breakfast with my smoothie. So, 2 granola bars, an egg for some protein, and peanut butter. Choosy runners choose Skippy. Now, when you go on a long run, it's important to make sure you have plenty of energy to get it all in. So, I like to do about a half a can of Mountain Dew and some coffee beans. I just grind them right up in there with my smoothie. Delicious. Perfect. Now when it's done, it's just bombs away. Delicious. Can't wait to see you at the finish line this summer at Inspiration Point. Catch you later. Until next time, gotta run.